good teacher doesn't just give knowledge, but awakens curiosity, encourages creativity, and instills confidence in students. They see the potential in us that sometimes even we fail to notice. Their influence lasts for far beyond the classroom and stays with us throughout our journey. On this day, let us express our heartfelt gratitude to all our teachers. Let's have hip hip hooray for our teachers. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Thank you and a very happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you, Bharat. That was wonderful.
Sometimes words without rhymes are like samosas without chutney.
Exactly. That's why Shreya is here with a beautiful poem dedicated to our teachers.
Let's welcome Shanya Sharma.
Teachers are the candle that glows bright, leading us in the darkest night. They plant the seed, teaching every breed. Their importance is the key, lightening the path for you and me. Teachers are the blessing that keep addressing. Teachers guide us like a road so we can face the world's load. Dear teachers, we are so grateful for having you. Thank you. That was so sweet. Now let's add one more treasure to our dictionary.
Yes, because Chaitanya has brought a brand new word for us, and I really hope it's not homework.
My next poem, I'm going to say a new word. Education. Shiksha.
ਚਾਂਦਣੀ ਨੇ ਪੁੰਨਿਆ ਤੇ ਜਲਸਾ ਲਗਾਇਆ ਸਦਾ ਝੀਲ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਚੰਦ ਮੁਖ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਸੀ ਚਾਂਦਣੀ ਨੇ ਪੁੰਨਿਆ ਤੇ ਜਲਸਾ ਲਗਾਇਆ ਸਦਾ ਝੀਲ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਚੰਦ ਮੁਖ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਸੀ ਰਿਸ਼ਮਾ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਰਿਸ਼ਮਾ ਨੇ ਦੂਧਿਆ ਜੇ ਪਾਈ ਸੀ ਪੋਸ਼ਾਕ ਮਾਰੀ ਤਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਹਾਕ ਤਾਂ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਜਹਾਨ ਸੀ ਚਾਂਦਣੀ ਨੇ ਪੁੰਨਿਆ ਤੇ ਜਲਸਾ ਲਗਾਇਆ ਜਲਸਾ ਲਗਾਇਆ ਜਲਸਾ ਲਗਾਇਆ ਜਲਸਾ ਲਗਾਇਆ
Teachers can dance so well.
Yes, but can they solve riddles?
Let's test them. Daksh is here with 4 tricky riddles for our teachers.
Teachers, sharpen your mind. Over to Daksh.
My name is Daksh Mahajan and I'm going to ask you some riddles. But first, I would like to tell you that the riddles are related to teachers and some things that are used in school in daily life. So let's start. First, I stand in class tall and bright. I stand in class tall and bright. On me, lessons come to life. कक्षा में खड़ा हूँ सीधा सादा मेरे ऊपर लिखे सब वादा बताओ मैं कौन हूँ Any guesses? Raise your hands.
Okay, Reyansh, you can unmute yourself.
Blackboard.
Yes, very good answer.
Good
The correct answer is blackboard. Second, I start the day with melody sweet. All stand when my voice they meet. What am I? मीठी धुन से दिन की शुरुआत सभी खड़े होकर करते हैं बात. The answer is national anthem and morning prayer. Third, I am not a teacher, but I still teach with facts and figure in your reach. मैं शिक्षक नहीं पर ज्ञान कराऊं, तथ्य और बातें सब समझाऊं. बताओ मैं कौन हूँ?
Diya.
Any another guesses?
Book.
Yes, it's true. Textbook.
After brain exercise, let's soothe our hearts with some music.
Yes, music is a magic potion which can make you smile, dance, and dream.
Let's welcome Jonathan and Manik sir for a melodious performance.
देख के मुझे क्यों तुम देखती नहीं यारा ऐसी बेरुखी ना सही तो नहीं रात दिन जिसे मांगा था दुआओं में देखो गौर से कहीं वो तो नहीं मैं वो रंग हूँ जो उनके कभी छूटे ना मैं वो रंग हूँ जो चढ़ के कभी छूटे ना दामन से थैंक यू
Thank you, Manik sir, Jonathan sir, and along with Varinder sir for their cooperation and coordination.
That was magical. And now, from music, let's move to timeless education.
Arvind is ready to recite some beautiful Hindi shlokas twice along with their meaning.
Everyone, listen carefully. These are the gems from our culture.
थैंक यू ऑडियंस फॉर कॉलिंग मी ऑन स्टेज। तो अब मैं आपको दो हिंदी श्लोक बताने जा रहा हूँ। पहला, आहार शुद्धो सत्व शुद्धो ध्रुवा स्मृति। हाँ, अच्छा आहार ग्रहण करने से आपके मन की शांति होती है और मन की शांति से आपके विचारों में शुद्धता आती है। दूसरा, कराग्रे वस्तो लक्ष्मी कर मध्य सरस्वती कर मूल्य स्थितो ब्रह्मा प्रभाते कर दर्शनम। अर्थात अग्र भाग में लक्ष्मी, मध्य भाग में सरस्वती और मूल भाग में ब्रह्मा जी का निवास होता है। अच्छा, सुबह उठते ही हाथों में दर्शन करें।
That was enlightening. Now let's bring back the rhythm.
Yes, because Bhumika is ready to take over the stage with her graceful dance.
Let's welcome Bhumika.
शुक्रिया 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 आज जो भी है हम सब है आपकी ही बदौलत आपके समर्पण को सलाम शुक्रिया 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 हाथ थाम के आपने है हमको सब सिखाया माफ की गलतियां संभाला जब भी लड़खड़ाया शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया
To all the teachers we have met in this life, a very happy Teachers' Day from all of us. And thank you for making us enabled. Shukriya.
Okay, Adya, let's play a little game.
Don't tell me another riddle.
No, this one's more fun. Rakshit will describe a teacher and we all have to guess it.
Teachers, let's see if you can recognize yourselves. Over to Rakshit.
I, Rakshit, will present you a game about teachers. Teacher Hunt. Who's the guru? Okay, there will be a wheel which will spin and it will land on some facts about a particular teacher. You have to guess the teacher. So let's start. So let's win. Okay, the first fact is Sabse Pyari, welcome Wali ma'am. Can anyone guess who is she? Please raise your hands.
Sir, the answer is Rachna ma'am.
Yes, correct answer. The answer is Rachna ma'am. Thank you, Yuvan. So let's spin the wheel again. So now it landed on Nayi teacher, badi experience wali. Can anyone guess who she is?
Sir, the answer is Jyoti ma'am.
Yes, correct answer. Thank you, Satwik. Now let's spin the wheel again. Cool ki Picasso. Can anyone guess who he or she is? Teachers can also guess.
The answer is Prinka ma'am.
Yes, correct answer. Now let's spin the wheel again. It landed on Masti Wali Smile Ki Machine. Can anybody guess who she is? Correct answer. Thank you, Rachna ma'am. The answer is Odaswini ma'am. Let's spin the wheel again. Sur, Taal or talent ke guru? Yes, sir. Very good, Rachna ma'am. The answer is Jonathan, sir. Let's spin the wheel last time. The last fact is Nanne Phoolo ki painter. Can anybody guess who she is? Very good, Shiva ma'am. The answer is Saliksha ma'am.
Ash, you know what? Teachers are like a cup of coffee. Slightly bitter, but necessary for life.
That's right. And now let's relax again with music.
Because MD sir is ready with a special song performance for us.
So on this special day, this is a song dedicated to students and as well as teachers. So here we go. हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना। तू ही दिल है, तू ही जा भी है, तू खुशी है। जो सब करते हैं यारों वो क्यों हम तुम करें, यूं ही कसरत करते करते काहे को हम मरे। घर वालों से टीचर से भला हम क्यों डरे, यहाँ के हम सिकंदर चाहे तो रख ले सबको अपनी जेब के अंदर। अरे हमसे बच के रहना मेरे यार, वो सिकंदर ही दोस्तों कहलाता है। Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Olympic, happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you, may the good Lord bless you, may the good Lord bless you dear. Happy birthday to you.
I thank you, my dear friends. I thank you, I do.
Happy birthday once again, Alan. Today's celebration would be incomplete without a final close of rhythm and energy. Two very talented dancers are ready to take the stage, and please put your hands together for Adya and Devika. Thank you, Adya and Devika, for your magical performance.
Now I invite everyone on stage. We have some special surprise for you.
तू कंटी बिक